Saki here and welcome back to my channel. I have another exciting unboxing video for you guys today, and it's gonna be a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know, it's crazy because I don't really shop from Louis Vuitton anymore. If you guys watch my channel, you'll know that I'm not a huge fan of theirs anymore. They just haven't really been releasing anything that I've been really loving, and I'm not a big fan of like Monogram and stuff. So yeah, Louis Vuitton is just one of those brands that I kind of stopped buying from. But this season for summer 2021, they have brought out so many cute things, and I actually did a wish list video not too long ago talking about all of the things that I wanted from this collection. So I did get one thing from the wish list, but then I did get something else that I didn't expect to get, and that wasn't on my wish list, but I'm really excited about it anyway, and I think you guys are gonna like it too. But before we get started, I just wanted to say a quick hello and welcome to anybody new who might be watching. My name is Saki. I upload videos twice a week. I also do monthly giveaways on this channel, so there's plenty to do and see here, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. I think I'm gonna unbox this surprise item first, and then I'll unbox the wishlist item. I saw it a while ago on Instagram, but I never pursued it because I couldn't find it on the website, and I was thinking this is kind of expensive to be spending on this kind of thing anyway. But when I saw it in store, I literally couldn't resist, and I will completely call myself out right now and say that yes, I am a hypocrite, because recently in another video I said I would never buy this item or an item like this, but I ended up buying it anyway. So alright, so let me reveal to you guys. Wait, how does this open? Oh, here it is. Alright, I finally figured it out. So yeah, you can probably already tell from the box that these are shoes, which is so surprising. I never thought I would own a pair of Louis Vuitton shoes. But seriously, once you see these, you're gonna be like, oh, makes sense. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I actually haven't looked at these since I bought them, so I'm really excited to see them with you guys. Alright, so this is the Louis Vuitton, actually I don't know what these are called. These are just Louis Vuitton sneakers. I need to find the name. Let me find the receipt. Alright, so these are called the Time Out sneakers in Rose Claire. Oh, funny enough, we were just talking about Chanel on this channel a couple videos ago, and the Chanel color that I like this year is also called Rose Claire, so interesting. Anyway, so yeah, this is a Time Out sneaker in Rose Claire, and you can see it's pink and white, which are my colors. I mean, look at the outfit that I'm wearing today. It's just like, it matches my aesthetic so well. So I went in to go get a wishlist item that I had actually pre-ordered, and then I saw these on the counter or whatever, and I just couldn't leave without asking my SA about them. And I tried them on. They ended up being very comfortable, and yeah, I just decided to buy them. They were stupid expensive for a pair of sneakers, but look at how unique these are. I think that this is definitely a special circumstance, and that you know, they're never going to release anything this perfect for my aesthetic, probably ever again. So I just really wanted to jump on them. The thing about sneakers is that sneakers really never go out of style, and I'm always going to have my pink and white aesthetic, I'm pretty sure. And plus the fact that these are very comfortable, I think that I'll be able to use them for a very long time. I'm probably just trying to justify the price of these in my head, but I do believe that all of those things are true, especially because they are comfortable. So yeah, I went ahead and bought them. They're just so freaking cute. So let me show you both of them. Alright, so they just look like this. So they both have the LV on the opposite sides so that you can see them when you're walking, and then the back has this you know, the LV logo designs on the back, and then also this is a platform kind of sneaker too, which I really enjoy because I'm very short and I do like anything that is platformed. And yeah, the bottom just looks like this. There is a little gold ring here that says Louis Vuitton as well. And yeah, I just think that these are so freaking cute. I'm definitely going to use them in the summer, and you guys know that I am a sneaker girl. I wear sneakers all the time, especially during the summer. I recently unboxed a pair of Gucci sneakers that I have been wearing just a little bit because it has been starting to get warmer here, and those are very comfortable, and I like those as well. So yeah, I just get a lot of use out of sneakers. I feel like the only pair of sneakers that I have that I absolutely hate, that I regret spending any money on, are the Valentino sneakers, and those are my very first pair of luxury sneakers. After that, I told myself that I wasn't going to buy anymore because it's just ridiculous to spend that amount of money on a sneaker. But I had gotten the Gucci ones as a gift, and I just think that these are unique enough to where, like, oh, it kind of makes sense that they're more expensive. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm clearly just trying to justify this expensive purchase to myself, but I think that the reasons are legit, and I do truly love this item, so I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them, which means the cost per wear is gonna go down, which means it's totally justified, right? All right, moving on. So next we're gonna unbox my little wish list item. Okay, it's not that little. It comes in a pretty big box, but yay, I'm so excited. So here we go. You probably can't tell what it is yet, or can you? I don't know. I kind of made it pretty clear in that wish list video which item I wanted the most out of everything that I talked about. All right, so I am revealing to you guys my new, you can already see it, can't you? This is my new Louis Vuitton Papillon BB. Look how cute this thing is! Oh my god, I love it so much. So, the reviews on this are so mixed. I took a poll on my Instagram, and it was literally like 48 to 52% of people liked / hated it. So yeah, I feel like a lot of people either hate this bag or love this bag, but I personally really love it. I fell in love with it even more after I tried it on, after I kind of like put stuff in it and really saw how much it can fit. It looks like a small bag, but it can actually fit a lot because of the shape of it, because you know, it's just like one gaping hole, and it doesn't have any restrictions, and because of like the roundness of it too, like I can fit more than any of my wallet on chain bags. I can fit more than my Chanel mini, my Chanel small boy. So that's why to me it doesn't feel like that small of a bag, if that makes sense. I probably just have like way too many mini bags, so that's why this one seems larger to me. But yeah, I definitely do think it's useful. It's not just a novelty piece like some people might be thinking. So yeah, it just looks like this on the front. It's got these two really cute little handles. You can put it in the crook of your arm, but it is kind of tiny. So I've actually just been wearing it on the strap. I haven't even used these top handles that much lately. I really love the gold hardware on it. I think it stands out really nicely from the pink. And of course, I love this like ombre effect that is on the monogram as well. I'm not 100% sure because I don't think it says on the ticket. Oh wait, no, it does. So this is plant leather. So it's the exact same thing as you would see on like the leather, oh, what am I thinking of? God, the bag that I had that I wore all the time that I sold. The leather pochette Matisse. Oh my god, I literally had to Google it because I couldn't remember. Oh, that's funny. So yeah, it is the same leather that I had on my, oh my god, I already forgot it again. Pochette Matisse. Dear god. So I do know like how the leather wears and how it fares in terms of like durability and stuff, which I think that that bag did really, really well in terms of durability. So I'm not afraid to use this one at all. The only thing is it is in a very light color, but honestly, like all of my bags are pink. All of my bags are light colored. I know how to take care of a light colored bag, so I'm not really worried about that at all. I think the other thing that people might have been turned off with by this bag is this thick strap. Now, I personally don't care for these kinds of thicker straps. Like they've been putting it on like the multi pochettes and stuff, but I actually think it works really, really well with this style bag. So I find this style bag to be like more of a sporty, casual kind of bag. So I wore it the other day when it finally got nice outside with a pair of shorts and a sweater, and I think it looks really, really nice like that. I think that, you know, it does give it like a more casual look, but not in a bad way. I also do want to say that you can replace the strap if you want to, or you can just hold it in the crook of your arm like this, and then it becomes like more of a not formal kind of bag, but it definitely becomes less sporty. This coin pocket though, I will say I probably will never use. It's very tiny and I don't carry coins and all of my keys are like in a little key pouch or whatever, so I'm not sure what I would use this for, but I still like to attach it because it is a cute little accessory. It kind of reminds me of like a bag charm. This thing is very simple though. It doesn't have like any logos or anything. It just says Louis Vuitton embossed here. You can barely even see it. Speaking of which, I really like the fact that there's only one logo in the front and one logo in the back. Sometimes like the all monogram thing can get to be a little bit intense for me. So yeah, I do like the fact that there's only 2 monograms on here. So I'm actually gonna go grab a couple of things to see what can actually fit in here. All right, so like I was saying, there's no compartments. There's only just one little flat pocket in the back. I will show you guys that my cell phone does fit. I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Oh gosh, it's getting really hard to say these names. So it does fit, but it is kind of like large in the bag. But honestly, because my phone's so thin, you can still fit a ton of other things in here. All right, I'll put my Chanel Camellia card case, my new one from 21S. Stick that right in there. I have my little compact comb mirror thing, the contact lens case, oil blotting sheets. I have my AirPods with the case on it. I have a lipstick. I'll put my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder in here. I have a little hand sanitizer. So it is getting kind of full, but you can still fit a couple of other things in here, like maybe if you want to carry a pen, maybe if you want to carry another lippy or like a concealer or something, you can definitely stick it on the top. I actually have both here, so I will stick those on the top. And yeah, that's pretty much what fits in here. I mean, it is a lot of items, like I was saying, compared to my other small bags, like, you know, my Chanel Mini or Wallet on Chain or something. And look at how well everything just fits in here. I love it so, so much. So yeah, I am going to show a couple of clips of me wearing this bag and what it looks like on my body. So let's go do that. All right, so this is what the bag looks like on me. This is just slung over my shoulder like this. I definitely like it at this length. I think that is very, very comfortable. And I do think that this length also makes a really great crossbody strap in like a belt bag kind of way. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I mean, but I like to wear it like across the body like this or behind my back like this. I just think that it looks really cute and really, really casual. I love it with this kind of like outfit for the summer, but I also do think that it looks so great with like jean or denim shorts. I'll also show you what it looks like just hand carried as well. I feel like Ariana Grande or something, maybe in like the thank you next video, I think that she was carrying a version of the Papillon BB, so that's what it reminds me of. And all right, what did you guys think of my little Louis Vuitton haul? Tell me what you think of this bag. I personally love it, as you can tell from this video, but I know everybody has their own opinions, so just let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Before I talk about April's giveaway, I just wanted to mention that you guys have noticed that Sally hasn't been in my videos lately, but she's actually right here. Oh, she's not gonna like that I picked her up, but she's right here. She is watching me this whole time, sitting next to me. You didn't want to go on the couch, baby? I know how much you guys like seeing her in the videos, so I thought I'd bring her up here to show. She's a little bit sleepy, so I think she's not very happy about me holding her. And alright, before I go, I did want to talk to you guys about April's giveaway. This month I'm giving away this bag from Ecosusi. I've talked about this bag a couple of different times in like my vegan leather handbags video, and I just think that this bag is really, really well made. I just never use it, so I thought it would be fun to give away to you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can comment in as many videos as you like in the month of April to win this bag. Please also make sure you're leaving your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username. At the end of the month, I will pick a winner, and this giveaway is open internationally as well. These monthly giveaways are just a way for me to say thank you guys for watching my videos and to show you guys how much I really appreciate it. And I did want to mention that I will be doing an actual luxury giveaway when I reach 20,000 subscribers. So I'm at 14K right now, I believe, so 6,000 more subscribers, and I will definitely do some sort of luxury giveaway for you guys. So please like and share this video or any of my videos if you guys want to help kind of like push my channel in that direction. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget that you also have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and on my Instagram to be entered in the giveaway as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Why take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window?